Hello guys, welcome back to Mufasucat with SolidWorks 2D Drawing Practice Exercise number 7. And don't forget to subscribe our channel here. In this practice, you can get this reference image from our Facebook page. Okay, open your SolidWorks software, Sketch, and we choose the top plane. Now I will create a circle here and here. Give the dimension, this circle about 80 and this circle about 60. Okay, 80 and 60, and I will create the line here and create the line again here. Okay, I will convert this line into a construction line. You can select here construction geometry, and I will give a degree for this line about 30. Use mirror entities to copy this object by using a mirror. Click here and OK. Then we use offset entities to offset this circle with the reverse, and the point is about 2. Okay, and the last sister here we offset again 0.2 and OK. Use trim entities to cut this line, this circle, and cut this circle here, 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 and here. Okay, we create now and drag the drawing. I will create a polygon with 5 sides here. We create a polygon again here and the circle inside here. Okay, give the dimension in the outside polygon about 20 and the inside here about 18, and diameter of the circle about 4. Okay, use a line here, select first point here and the second point here, right click select. I will create 4 line. Click here and click here, select the right line again in here, right click select and create again line from here to here, right click select. And combine line with a circle by using a tangent, or line with a circle by using tangent here. Click here and here, combine again, click here and here, tangent. Then cut with the trim entities here, here, inside, and here. Okay, and zoom out, and I will create a line here. Right click select and I will give the distance, this line from the center point here about 9.5. Okay, and I will trim this line. Okay, trim here, 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 and trim here. Okay, then I will use mirror entities to copy this line, the mirror about here. Okay, you can see here, and okay, correct line here, right click select and give the distance from here to here about 19. Okay, and trim this line, then give here line I will draw with length about 5 0.5. Okay, to the top about 10. Okay, in here about 30, 10, and here to finish. Next, give the distance here about 10. Okay, and in here about 19. Okay, use the trim entities to cut this line, and in here. Okay, next I will create a line in here. Right click, select, and I will give the distance, this line from the center point here. In here about 13. Okay, and I will mirror the line here with a mirror about in here, and okay, then create a line again here. Right click, select, and give the distance here about 30, and we cut with trim entities here. Okay, and next we create a freestyle here. Okay, right click, select, and delete in here. Okay, next we create this object. First I will create line here. Okay, right click, select, and give the distance in here about 3, and length of the line in here about 7. Okay, then I will offset this line, set this object about 4 point to the reverse. Okay, you can see here, and okay, and correct line again in here. Right click, select, and offset again this line about 2 point reverse. Okay, and select okay here. Then I will create line here about 2 point. Okay, and in here about 5 point. In here about 8. About 5 point, and done here. Okay, right click, select, and then we check it out the drawing. You can close cut here. Okay, and I think it's clear now. If you have any question, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in SolidWorks 2D drawing practice exercise number 8.